Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're doing a little PR unboxing. Lottie London sent over some newness for us to dive into and dig into. Ba-ba! We've got some illuminating products, some gloss products, some pH products, a primer. It's all going to be good. I have done my base complexion a little bit. Like, I put on a complexion product, a little bit of eyes, and some eyebrows. So let's get into talking about the whole thing. I did pre-film me putting this on, so I am wearing this specific product, and it is the Lottie London Bursting Gel Bubbles Bubble Tea Primer. This is a hydrating primer. They sent a little insert, so let me find out a little bit about it. It retails for $9.98. You can find Lottie products at Walmart, and if they don't carry them in store, you can find them on walmart.com. Lottie is very affordable, and a lot of their products are really, really nice. And I'm not just saying that because they sent this over. Like, they sent me one of their color clouds, and I then went and bought like the other 5. Like, they have some really good products. Anyways, the Bubble Tea Primer. This retails for $9.98. It is a hydrating primer, and it says, prep the skin for flawless makeup application with our new gel-based primer. This hydrating primer helps to grip your makeup in place all day and has a sweet, fruity scent. This makeup skincare hybrid is formulated with aloe, green tea extract, vitamin B, and niacinamide, which help to smooth and soften the skin. The encapsulated pink beads are bursting with hydration, just like your favorite flavor of bubble tea. This is all-in-one product for that dewy, hydrated feeling you get post multi-step skincare routine. Okay, this does smell amazing. It is very nice, and it is super gel-like wet when you first put it on. Before you put your foundation products on, you need to make sure that this is drying down. So you might want to like put it on, go to the bathroom, grab your cup of coffee or whatever. Like, you need to make sure that your face is not so like wet before you move on to your next step. But it does smell really, really nice. It was really, really hydrating. It kind of feels very similar to like the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow. It doesn't smell the same, but it has that same sort of like feeling, if that makes sense. Very, very nice. Really, really like it. $9.98. How big is this? 1.02 ounces or 29 grams. So I don't know, $10 for this, that's not too bad compared to some other primers out there. Alright, the next product that we're going to talk about is this pH color changing blush in Onyx. This retails for $6.98. It is a cream blush, and it's one of those, like I said, pH changing blushes that it's black in the pan, but then once you put it on your skin, it's supposed to kind of like formulate to your perfect color. So yeah, let's put it on as I talk about what this little pamphlet has to say. pH blush, add an instant flush of color to your cheeks with this creamy buildable formula. The black formula transforms when it touches skin, adapting to your skin's natural pH levels, creating a uniquely flattering pink berry shade, perfect for every skin tone. The long-lasting formula will keep your skin looking dewy and radiant all day long. Normally with blush products, I use a brush, so let's try that out. I'm going to use this e.l.f. Putty Bronzer e.l.f. Putty Bronzer brush. It's just kind of like a little angled brush. I don't know if you can use brushes with this. Oh, yes. Yes, you can. Oh no. Okay. That was a lot. Taking my foundation brush, and we're just going to blend that out a little bit. definitely changes to your skin's warmth, that's for sure. So that's what it looks pre-blended, and this is also on top of a like concealer foundation product, so it will change over like a face product. Here it is blended out. It is very cute and pink. I don't always go for a pink blush, especially in the summer, like I'm wearing orange eyeshadow. I have like orange and reds in my shirt. Sometimes I go for more of like a peachy orangey blush. So I don't know if like the pH color is always going to be what's right for the outfit, but it's always going to be what's right for your skin. I wonder if you can put this on your lips. We're gonna try it out. But yeah. That's cool. I always like the pH color changing things. I think they're really, really cool. But yeah, it does give like a really nice flush of color. It's very in person, like I can see it really, really well once it's, once it's blended out, but I don't know if you can see it as well over the camera. But yeah, I like it. It's also very like creamy, so it's still giving me that kind of like dewy hydrated look as well. Yeah, that's cute. I like that. We've been seeing pH like color changing things all over the place. Like Tarte has a whole line of lip glosses out. So many places have these pH changing, these pH color cream blushes and lip products. For $6.98, that's a really good deal. How much do you get in this? 0.06 ounces or 1.8 grams. I mean, that's a pretty good price. A little goes a long way, especially with like a cream blush. The next product that we have are these Cheeky Glow liquid highlighter wands. These are like all the rage. So many companies have these out. These retail for $8.98 each. They come in what seems 4 shades. I will swatch all of them. So let me read about these as I put them on. This Out of This World Highlighter Blush Hybrid formula adds a dewy, glowing pop of color to your cheeks, giving next level radiance. This extra smooth formula contains ultra fine shimmers that can be built from a subtle sheer veil to a show-stopping afterglow. Infused with skin-loving hyaluronic acid and non-drying formula, layers over makeup or bare skin with a soft cushion applicator pad to help dispense product evenly, making it super blendable and easy to use. Peach Bellini, Rosé Bubbles, Champagne Drip, and Golden Glaze. Okay, that, I don't understand why that was like super difficult for me. But the two colors that I think work best for me are the Champagne Drip and the Peach Bellini, which this is the Peach Bellini, this is the Champagne Drip. What I do love, absolutely 100% love about this product, this, what do you call this? This component, is that you have to twist the cap to do on and off. Like, you can't press out product if you have it twisted off. You have to twist it on and then you can squeeze out more product. How amazing is that? I love that. All right, we're gonna take some Peach Bellini. Ooh. Look, oh my gosh. Look at how like beautifully that blends out. Okay, that blended out very, very beautifully. I will say the consistency of these are a lot thicker than I had originally thought that they would be. We're gonna use some champagne drip on my nose. I don't know why I thought they were going to be a little bit like thinner or more sheer, but they're definitely not. They're definitely like thick and pigmented, and they are a like blush highlight hybrid. But yeah, oh my goodness, I love how that looks. That is absolutely gorgeous. A little under my eyes. Ugh. These are $8.98 and I cannot recommend enough. Like that. And I love the peach Bellini on top of this peach, because instead of like this being all just like one color pink, the peach Bellini kind of like blends this like soft peachy pink highlight into this like pink blush. I'm not wearing any bronzer. We'll have to add that a little bit. But like, ooh, ooh. All right, I like that. All right, on to the last product. Okay, last product is Glossed Made Ya Smile. This retails for $5.98. You get 8 milliliters and 0.27 US fluid ounces. This is a smile brightening clear lip gloss oil. So let's read about it as I put it on. It's your fave glossed lip gloss is now in a brand new blue shade. This innovative formula contains blue pearls designed to make your teeth appear whiter by using color theory to oppose yellow pigments in your teeth to provide an instant brightening effect. The jojoba seed oil and argan oil help to nourish your lips for ultra hydration. Your lips appear instantly plumped with an ultra glossy shine and minty flavor. So I really, really like this. It does have a minty scent to it, and it's really, really thick. I will say with that blue pigment, it kind of like darkens my lips a little bit. I don't know if you can see it on camera, and I mean, my teeth aren't like the brightest, whitest to begin with, but like, I don't really think it makes them any whiter, but that's also something that I have to work on, is whitening my teeth. But as a lip gloss in general, I like the kind of like minty tingliness. I like the thickness of this gloss. It's like thick without being sticky. It has a nice friction to it. Do you know what I mean? I really, really like it. It has a nice shine to it. And I think if you just don't want it to appear so blue, maybe don't use as much as I did. I have a tendency to overuse products in general. But I do like the kind of shininess to it. I do like the smoothness of it and the like thickness of it. I don't know if it's making my teeth appear any whiter or if it's just like placebo effect. I don't know. Big winners out of this PR package. I will have to say it is the Bubble Tea Primer. I was eyeing this up and I wanted to try it so bad, and I'm so glad that they sent it to me. It is so hydrating and it looks so nice. This is also my makeup unset. I haven't put any bronzer or anything on, and I don't have any powder on my face. I think it gives like a really, really nice, like if you're going for that no makeup glow underneath like a lightweight foundation or a little concealer. Like I've been using these NYX Bear With Me concealer serums as foundation. This product or this primer is really, really nice sitting underneath that as well. And then these Cheeky Glow liquid highlighter wands. Oh my gosh. I was really skeptical when I opened the package and I was like, oh, another highlighting wand. But honestly, the texture and how they blend it out and how it looks, like, ooh, and I love the component. I love that you can twist The top of these cushions, like on and off, great for traveling especially, or like if you don't, you can twist it off when you apply it so you don't accidentally squeeze your tube when it's on your face. I love the component of this. The pH cream blush, also really, really nice, but again, for me, nothing to write home about. And the gloss, to me, is just another gloss. It is nice, though, and I do like the packaging, I will have to say about that. But yeah, I will link all of these down in the description box below, so if any of them tickle your fancy, you can check them out on your own time. Lottie, thank you so much for sending this PR over to me so that we could play with some new makeup and we could see what the newness is about. As I said before, Lottie can be found at Walmart or Walmart.com. I know my Walmart particular doesn't carry the whole line in store, but you can find it on Walmart.com. Again, I'll have everything linked down in the description box below so you can check them out on your own time. Highly suggest the Bubble Tea Primer and these Cheeky Glow wands. Whew. Those were some winners. So anyways, if you found this video helpful, please give it a big old thumbs up. Have you tried Lottie London before? Let's start a conversation down in the comment section below. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.